as well as app and backend development. Today we'll be talking about all the top skills that you need to learn in 2021 which will help you earn a lot. Now, it doesn't matter what your age is, what school or college you're from, or what you're pursuing. These high paying skills that I'll be talking about in this video can be learned and picked up by absolutely anyone. And you just need to invest your time in it. So watch this video till the end as I'll be mentioning all the resources from where you can learn these skills, how much time it will take, the current demand in the market, and also the most important one, the average income that you will be able to generate once you acquire the skill. Also, at the end of this video, I will be summarizing all of these things in a table which is very important, and please don't miss that. Now, in this video, I'll be talking about content writing, videography, graphic designing, social media influencer, digital marketing, web development, as well as app and backend development. So let's first talk about content writing. Now, I had recently seen a video by a popular YouTuber claiming that you can earn more than $300,000 through content writing. To give you a perspective on that, it is close to around 2.2 crores per year. This is absolutely not true. Content writing in itself is not such a rewarding skill. Only when it is mixed with marketing, SEO, and knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then it really starts to pay off. All of the skills pay you according to the value that you're able to generate, and content writing on the other part is so easy that almost all of us can do it. In fact, even I have to write the content of the videos before I record them. But that is where an additional skill of marketing and deep knowledge about a particular niche comes into play. Without these additional skills, no one is going to pay you that much amount of money. So, how much do content writers actually get paid? The average salary ranges from 9 to 20,000 per month, no matter what your experience level is. The amount of time that this skill will take you to learn is around a week and at max a month. The next skill that we have on the list is videography. Nowadays, to capture any moment, we prefer to store it in terms of a video rather than a photo. I won't be getting into the photography versus videography part, but this is a skill that you all should know at least the basics of. The average salary that you can expect out of videography is around 20 to 25,000 per month, and the time required to learn the skill is around a month, as there are a lot of resources out there that you can learn from. I'll be linking some of them in the description box below so you can check them out as well. Videography consists of three major things: pre-production, production, and post-production. In that, there are some of the things that you would need to learn before you begin. Pre-production is the part where you plan the entire video out. You would need to know how the video will go according to the script, how the lighting will be set up, what will be the location of the shoot, and so on. After you're done with this, then comes the production part. In that, you would first need to know how to record a video. No, I'm serious. Recording a video with proper lighting, background, and audio is a skill in itself. To show you what I mean, just look at this video. The lighting is not proper, the audio is not proper. In fact, no one would even want to watch such a video. That is exactly what I mean by knowing how to record. The next thing that you would need to work on is post-production. After recording all of your clips, you would need to edit them all together before you can use it in the final video. For video editing, there are various courses available online. The software that you can use is Premiere Pro if you're on Windows, or Final Cut Pro if you're on Apple. But these are paid softwares. You can buy them online or use torrent or something. But I personally don't like piracy. So if you want to use some free video editing softwares, then you can check out the one that I personally use to edit my videos, and that is DaVinci Resolve. And yes, it is totally free and is quite a powerful tool as well. The next skill that we have on our list is graphic designing. Nowadays, the need for graphic designers is everywhere. Be it making a book cover, the thumbnail of the YouTube video you're watching, or even posters and marketing banners for a company. To learn all the basics of graphic designing, it would require around 3 to 6 months, and you can expect to get around 35,000 rupees per month through graphic designing. Now let's talk about how to start and where to learn graphic designing from. Well, you can start by watching some amazing Udemy courses. I'll be linking some of the top courses down in the description box below so you can check them out as well. Once you learn all the basics of graphic designing, then it really boils down to your experience, your portfolio, and how creative you are. By the way, by portfolio, I mean your own one page landing website on which you can showcase all of your work. If you want to target clients with a higher budget and get paid more, you will need to show your portfolio and your previous works to them. Next up, we have the skill of content creation and being a social media influencer. Now, being an influencer is a skill in itself, and not everyone can crack the code for it. Creating content that people would enjoy and value is very tough, and it involves a lot many skills in itself. Firstly, you would need to select a platform where you want to be an influencer on. While choosing a platform, make sure that it is something that is mostly used by the people you want to target. For me, I want to target teenagers and students who have a similar mindset like me to watch my content. Then YouTube or Instagram would be the best place for me to share such content, and that's exactly what I do. However, if I wanted to target an older age group, then I would probably have to shift towards LinkedIn or Facebook. Once you choose your platform, then comes the market research step. You will need to research for some trending topics and learn from your competitors. After that, you will need to brainstorm and create some unique content. Being a social media influencer is pretty tough as the competition has increased a lot nowadays, but the monetary gains from it are endless. Just to give you a quick sneak peek into how much the influencers charge, on Instagram, if let's say you have around 1 million followers, then you can charge 2 lakh rupees plus for just a single post. And on YouTube, if you have 1 million subscribers, then apart from the money you earn from ads, you could also earn 3 to 4 lakh rupees easily for a 30-second promotion. How do I know this? Well, I bring in brand deals and sponsorships for such influencers from top brands myself and know all about their quotations. The next skill is digital marketing. The average salary of a digital marketer is around rupees 40,000 per month. Now, digital marketing in itself is a very vast topic and comprises of many different things. So to give out the exact time required to learn this skill is quite difficult. But on average, it takes around 3 to 6 months to learn all the basics of digital marketing. Digital marketing consists of various different domains like website, email, social, SEO, and PPC, that is pay per click as well. Here you can start with learning about social media marketing first, as it will be the easiest for you guys. Once you're done learning about social media marketing, then you can jump over to learning the rest of the subcategories as well. Where to learn about digital marketing, where there are entire courses dedicated to digital marketing on YouTube as well as on Udemy. You can find the links for all the courses down in the description box below. Next up, we have web development. To learn about web development completely, it would take you around a year if you have never written a single line of code. The average salary that you can expect out of this skill would be roughly around 45,000 rupees per month. I see a lot of people confusing web development with learning about WordPress. WordPress is quite a powerful tool, no doubt about it, but it is still a website builder. If you are learning about web development, you would need to know everything right from the basics, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Your skill will only be valued enough if you know about these things and are comfortable with them. There is an amazing course on Udemy. I'll be linking it in the description box below. It dives right into the basics. Next up, we have app and backend development. Now, to learn all about it, you would require a lot of time, especially if you've never written a single line of code. It isn't the highest paying skill on the list just for the sake of it. You would need to put in that much amount of effort as well. This skill will get you a salary of around 60 to 70,000 rupees per month, which will increase once you start to gain experience. Even for web development, we have some amazing website builders where you can develop a website without even knowing a single line of code. However, building apps and backend development is quite a complicated process, and its automation probably will not happen for a long time. So that's it for the skills, and if you like this video, then do press the like button, do share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon as well, so that you don't miss any new updates. Also, I want to thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. They are coming out with their own MHT CET Champions League. There are 3 groups, that is PCM, PCB as well as PCMB group. So do check it out, as it might be helpful for you guys especially.